Welcome to Rannkly, your all-in-one solution for managing your social media presence. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating a social media post using Rannkly's powerful features. Click here to start. To get started, log in to your Rannkly account. Once you're logged in, look on the left menu and click on Social Media. In the Social Media section, you'll find the Compose New button at the top left corner. Click on it to begin creating your new post. A model window will appear. Here, you can select the social media page on which you want to post your content. Click on Done. Now, it's time to add your creative content. You can upload an image or video that you want to share with your audience. In the Content section, Rannkly's AI will assist you in generating a compelling caption and relevant hashtags for your post. Let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Congratulations, your social media post is now scheduled and ready to go. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to effortlessly create and schedule social media posts using Rannkly's intuitive platform. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.